what's up guys, it's Wom Gaming here, and today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how you guys can make your intros. So if you guys saw the intro right before this video, that is what I'm going to be showing you today. It's going to be about a 5-minute, hopefully 5-minute intro, or tutorial, sorry. And I'm just going to go through the basic steps of doing this, and I'll go through how to put sound on it and stuff like that. So let's just get straight into this. As always, you're just going to click the link in the description, and it should bring you to a page like this. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing this one, the universal.zip. But after you have this down like I do, meaning you can, you know how to work Blender, which is the software we're going to be using. You know how to work a Blender. You could do any of these, you could make any of these intros for your videos. So you can make a Walt Disney intro, you can make, I've actually made a Fox intro, so I've made a lot of intros using this software called Blender. So you're just going to want to click this one for this video, and just click the universal.zip, and you have the first step completed. Now, okay, what you're going to want to do is just go to Google and search up Blender for whatever you have. So if you have a Mac, do Mac, PC. So this really isn't just a tutorial for the Mac. This is both Windows and Mac. So if you just search that up, it's a free application. You're just going to want to download that real quick, and then you're ready for the next step. So what you're going to want to do is open up Blender, and this is the main screen that you see for Blender. So what you're going to want to do to open your file is go to File, Open. You're going to want to configure back to your user, whatever your username is. So just click that and then back it up all the way if it isn't already. Then you're going to want to go to Downloads, and it should be in the Universal Intro. And then you're going to want to go to Original. And then you're going to want to go to Open. So this might take a second to load up. Then it's loaded up. So this is the screen that we're going to be working with, this screen on the right. So what you're going to want to do to put your channel name or whatever you're really making an intro for, you can put that right there, and then there's a little subheading right there. So you guys should recognize this from my intro. It's the little circle, and it rotates with the letters. Just a basic intro, but I think it makes my videos look a little bit better. So what you're going to want to do, there's a few commands that you're going to need to know. Tab is to select and deselect for writing purposes, meaning you select it and then you backspace and you can type. Then the Apple signal is to go from one to another, and then A is to deselect all. So those are the three that you're going to need to know. So to start it off, it should be already highlighted, but if it isn't, you're just going to want to hold the so say it is not selected, like that. You're just going to want to hit the Apple symbol over that, or hold the Apple symbol and click on the your theater or whatever one you want to. So say if I wanted to change this one down here, I just hold the Apple symbol and click on it, and then it'd do that. So to switch from this one to this one, you're just going to want to click A, because that deselects everything. Then you're going to hold the Apple symbol and click on that. So when you have it selected, you're going to need to type. So to type, you tap Tab. And then you're going to backspace all the way to the end. Make sure everything's deleted. And then you're going to want to click, and then you're going to want to put whatever your username or whatever you're making it for. So in this case, I'm going to put Wom Gaming. And that is good. So as you guys can see, you can't really see it, so that is a problem. So you're just going to want to click Tab, and then you can see what you've typed. And then if you're happy with that, just click A, and then you're going to want to hold the Apple symbol as I told you, and click on the feature presentation or whatever you have already typed, and hold Tab or click Tab, backspace all the way, and then once it's all backspace, make sure it does take a while because it doesn't go by itself. So you're just going to want to put whatever you want. Mine is the future of gaming, so I'll just put that in real quick. and then I'm going to click tab. So you can see that it is good there. So after you've done this, just click tab again and then click A to deselect. Oh, don't click tab, just click A to deselect everything. And you have got your intro basically half made. Now for the long part, you're going to want to render this, because if you were to export or just save it, it really doesn't do anything. It just saves it to the Blender. So you actually have to render it, meaning make it whatever format you want. So all that good stuff. So you're just going to want to come to the top of the page, click render, and go to render settings. And a big box should pop up down here with all these render settings. So what you're going to want to do is go to format, and you're going to make the size 1280. So 1280, let me just go down. It's kind of hard to work with. So, and then you're going to want to go to 720. Oh, got it. Okay, so after you're done with this, you're going to want to make sure that it is ready. So recheck it again one more time, because this is the last time you can check it before it is going to be rendered. And rendering does take about 10 hours roughly, so I'd recommend you do it before you go to bed or something like that, where you know that it's going to work over the night, because it does make your computer a little slow when it's doing this, just because of the pure size of the file that you're converting, or the work that your computer is going through to make this render successful. So I forgot one thing. You're going to need to put it to an output, meaning where it's going to save to. So just click this top little folder over here. This should pop up. Navigate all the way to your user, and then whatever. And then you're going to want to go to desktop. That's where I'm going to save mine. Then you just click select output picture or whatever. Then you're going to do the same for this one. Just click this. Then you're going to want to go to desktop, save backup picture. Okay, so now you have done all of the hard part, and you're just going to wait and let your computer do the rest. So when you are ready, you're just going to want to click render. Now I'm not going to really do this right now, because it does take 10 hours, and I am still going to want to use my computer tonight. But I have also done a few other intros that I will be sharing with you in my next few videos, maybe, hopefully, if everything goes well. I still have to put music to them. So if you guys would like me to show you how I put music to them, it's pretty simple. I guess I'm just gonna show you today. But it's really easy, relatively easy. For all you Windows users, you're probably just gonna want to go to Movie Maker or any sort of software where it allows you to open a video file and put music on it. So maybe ULEAD Studios, or I don't really know anymore, because those are the only two I used with Windows. Oh yeah, Sony Vegas Pro maybe. But otherwise, you're just going to want to open the file and put maybe just throw some music on it however you want. But for some Mac users, I would just suggest you use iMovie. It's pretty easy. I mean, it's relatively easy. If you guys would like me to do a tutorial on it, I sure will. But this has been this is all, I think. I thought I had something else I was going to tell you. Sorry. But no, never mind. Oh, yeah. Thank you to Digitech Reviews, I think that's how you say it, for giving me a few shout-outs. If you guys haven't already known, I'd give shout-outs to my new subscribers. So if I haven't had any recently, I'm still stuck at 284, I think. But if I have any more, leave a comment saying you subscribed, and I'll give you a shout-out in the next video. So thank you guys. This has, as usually, been a WOM Gaming production. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Please make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.